Sup guys, here we are on a new video after a while. On this video we're going to be reviewing Apple AirPods 3rd generation. So let's dive into it. So first things first, the design. When you compare this with the Apple AirPods 2nd generation, the design is totally different. This design looks more like of our AirPods Pro, but the difference is this doesn't have a tip. So this one doesn't have the silicone ear tips. The design looks good, the size is okay. It also do have a perfect fit. It won't fall or budge from your ears. So let's talk about the features. At first, these have the skin detecting optical sensor. So when you remove this from your ears, the music automatically stops playing, and when you put them right back in, your music continues playing. So this is to save your battery life instead of just removing this and keeping them somewhere and your music is still playing or the audio you're playing is still playing. It also have sensors like the AirPods Pro, of which you just tap it like this with one finger and it pauses, double tap to the next song or the next audio or the next video. And what does triple tap do? I don't really know. So push and hold to activate Siri. So if you want to change the next song, instead of you to have to take your phone or device, you can just double tap it and it switches to the next song. And it doesn't have any physical button. It's just a sensor right there. You can't see it, but when you touch it, you can feel it. So that's really good. So let's talk about the battery life. These have an amazing battery life. It's really decent. For somebody like me, I really use my AirPods, not always, but daily, at least 3 or 4 hours a day. So you can spend 3 to 4 days without charging this. The battery is amazing. And also it really do have a very fast charging. It have faster charging compared to the other AirPods. So when you just plug this, maybe for 10 or 15 minutes, it's going to be fully charged. 10 minutes or 12, something like that. And also when you put the AirPods back in the case, it charges to 100% in less than 5 minutes. So that's really cool. So let's talk about the sound. This sounds incredible. The sound is decent, clean, and the bass is really good too. This is one of the best sounding AirPods I've ever used in a while. I've used the AirPods Pro, the AirPods 2, and I've also once tried the AirPods Max. This is one of the best, to be honest, because for the sound to have something small like this in your ear and also to have a decent sound like that is magnificent. And also I forgot to mention, these AirPods have the spatial audio feature. It doesn't have the active noise cancellation and the transparency mode though, but the active noise cancellation and the transparency mode you can get on the AirPods Pro. This one only have the spatial audio. And also the Bluetooth connection is very fast. As soon as you open the case, it connects to your device. It maybe connects to your iPad, your MacBook, or even connects to your iPhone. For me, sometimes I use this for video editing. I just like to put this on when I'm in a place I don't want people to know that I'm editing a video, so I can have these earphones on and I can just edit my videos. The audio is super neat, and also the battery saving, the fast charging. So my experience with this is a very good experience, to be honest. I like this. I like the battery life, I like how this sounds, and for the price, I think this is okay. This is somehow worth it, even though you can get the Apple AirPods Pro, but if you are someone who have a normal ears, what I mean by normal is because there are some people, they can't use AirPods like this, they prefer the one with the air tip because it falls out from their ears. But if your ears can hold on to this, I think it's really good. As you can see, this is not really big. The size is okay and it fits the ear. And also when you talk about the design, the charging case is really small and portable. So the charging case really looks good too. I think the charging case is smaller compared to the AirPods Pro charging case, because this just the charging case for the AirPod 3rd gen, and for the Pro I think it's a little bit slightly bigger. So for me, I recommend you getting these AirPods because the price is okay, it sounds amazing. Amazing battery life too, fast charging, nice fits, it looks amazing, the size is okay and all that. So I think this is really worth buying. As you all know, Apple AirPods are really good. So I think the AirPods 3rd gen is a good option, but you can go for the AirPods Pro though. But I really like this one personally. So that's pretty much it for the video. It's been a while. Thanks for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next one very soon. Peace.